has kind of different rules, but I will talk you through it as we go. So normal Sudoku rules apply, which means, you know, you have to have 1 to 9 in each row, column and box. Then we have palindromes. Numbers in equal distance from the ends of a grey line are the same. So this number is the same as this number, and then this one is the same as this. Sorry if you can hear any background noise. And then kill a cage. Numbers in a cage sum to the number in the top left corner. So these two will add to 8. Crop key pairs. Numbers with a white dot between them are consecutive. So these two numbers are consecutive, and these two numbers are consecutive, etc. And numbers with a black dot between them have a ratio of 2 to 1. So this would be like 1, 2, or 2, 4, or 3, 6, or 4, 8. Not all possible dots are given. So where shall we begin? Okay, this is interesting in this box because we have 3 of these dots, right? It doesn't really tell us too much at the moment, but there are only certain combinations that we can have that would work here. So we'll get to that, but that's an interesting thing to remember. I want to look at this 8 because do I want to look at this 8? You know what? I'm gonna go to this. So on this dot we can have a 1, a 2, a 3, a 4, and an 8. Now that means that this number is the same as this number, so this can also be a 1, a 2, a 3, a 4, and an 8. Oh, and a 6, sorry, I left 6 off. Silly me. So that's that. But can we tell anything from this? No, I don't think we can. That's a 1. That could still work. Okay, let's ignore that. Let's ignore. Well, actually no, we can. We can, because these two have to be consecutive, right? So these two have to be consecutive. Now the only double that is consecutive is 1 and 2. I do believe, because you know, if we had a 3 and a 6 here, that wouldn't work over here. So we have got we can delete this, and we know that this is a 1, 2, and this is a 1, 2. However, we then know this here cannot be a number 1, because number 1 can only have a 2 next to it. That's the only consecutive number that's available, because we can't use a 0. And, you know, it can't have 2 in 2 places. So this has to be a 2, and this has to be a 1. So this has to be a 1, and this has to be a 2. And then this has to be a 3 because of the consecutive thing. I hope that makes sense. And then we know that this is also a 3. Okay. So now we can look at this dot, and we know that it can't have a 2 in it. So it can't be 1, 2. It can't be 2, 4. It could be a 2, 8. Oops, no, it can't be a 4, 8 rather. And it can't be a 3, 6. So actually all it can be is a 4, 8. Can't be a 1, 2. Can't be a 2, 4. And can't be a 3, 6. So yeah, that is a 4, 8 pair. So does that help us with anything? Yes, it does, because now we know that the third 1, 2, 3 number on this line has to be a 4, 8. So this also has to be a 4, 8. Let's see, what else can we do? This one's quite interesting because it's got 4 consecutive numbers, which I'm wondering if we should be looking at. That's quite broad still, though. There's a lot of options still that could be. so I'm gonna leave that for now. Let's see what else. So we know that these two are the same and these two are the same. So we could colour them in just so we remember those are both orange and those are both blue. Because they'll be the same number, right? That's what I mean by that. Then what else? What else should we be looking at? Oh, excuse me. Makes me tired doing these. Me and my boyfriend usually do these like before bed. If we're bored. Or just if we want to. We sometimes just do them anyway, like randomly, but we usually do them before bed. When we're just chilling. Because they're pretty relaxing. Sometimes it takes a moment to like see where the next thing is. Let's see. Okay, this, I believe that this can't be a 4-8 because if there's an 8 here, then it doesn't work, and if there's a 4 here, it's not possible for there to be an 8 there, so that can't be a 4-8. It can't be a 1-2 like that, but it could be a 1-2 like that. But however, this number 4, okay, yeah, that still works. It could be a 3-6, and it could be a 2-4, and a 2-4. So that's pretty broad still. I don't love that, but we're gonna fill it in anyway. So this is a 2, 3, 4, 6, and this is a 1, 2, 3, 4, 6. No, not an 8, a 6. Okay. Sorry if you can hear my neighbours. I think they're in their garden, which is super random because it's literally freezing at like night. Well, it's not night time, I guess it's like 4:30, but like it's cold AF, so I don't know why you'd be out in your garden, but whatever. It's not really that deep. I don't know why I'm PMSing, so everything just kind of pisses me off at the moment. Okay, let's look at this. Can't be a 1-7, could be a 1-7. I don't love this actually, there's a lot of combinations that could be. Oh, let's do it anyway, whatever. Let's fill it all in. 1-7, it could be 2-6, it could be 3-4. That's not actually that many combos, so. Actually, what am I adding to here? I feel like I've just done that wrong. It could be a 1-7. It could be a 2-6. It could be a 3-5. I think I put 3-4 there. It can't be a 4-4. Can't go in there. That's not allowed. Okay. Okay. I think actually this does give us something because now what we're saying is 9 has to go on this. 9 has to be somewhere here. So this has to be 9, 8, 7, 6. I believe. Because 9, if 9 has to go on here, right? But if 9 was there, they'd have to have an 8 either side of it, which doesn't work, and the same there. So 9 has to be either there or there. And then that has to be either an 8. Okay, yeah, that has to be either an 8 or a 7. And that has to be either a 9 or a 6. A 9 or a 6. So I'm gonna actually fill these in as pairs because it's clearer that definitely has to be there. Okay, here we go. We got something now. something now. So now we know 6 can no longer be anywhere else because it has to be there. So we can remove 6, we can also remove 3 from there. And we also know now that 8 has to be here. So this in fact is a 4, which leaves this as a 2 and this as a 1. Then we can remove some numbers. So we can get rid of the 1 there, which means we can get rid of the 7 there. We can get rid of the 2s, which means we can get rid of the 6s. So this is a 3-5 pair. And then we know that this number is a 4 because of this. And this one is an 8 because 4 is there. And then we know this one is a 2 because the equal there. And this one is a 1 because of the line rule. So that was good. We got a lot there. So now we know 1 can't go here and it can't go here, and neither can 2. So does that give us? I feel like that does give us something because I think we can only have 3, 6, 1, 2, 4, 8. Because if we had 2, 4, we'd only have 3, 6, no other pair. So we have to have 1, 2, 3, 6, and 4, 8 in here. And 1, 2 can't go in either of these. So this is a 1, 2 pair. And then we could have the others could still be around, except the 4 can't go there. But we can look at that. I don't know. Should we look at that now? Let's go for it. So 4 can't go here, but it could go there. Oh no, it can't go there. Okay, so this is a 4 and an 8, and then this is a 3, 6. Oops, 3, 6. Okay, we're getting somewhere now, guys. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, and then the remaining numbers here are 5, 7, and 9. 5, 7, and 9 in this box, do you see? So now on this line we know that this is a 4 and this is an 8, an 8, an 8, an 8, an 8. And this one is going to be a 3 or a 6, and this one is going to be a 5, 7, and 9. Okay. Sorry, just moving quickly and having a little drink. I'm actually going to get rid of these colours because they look really ugly and we don't really need it, because sometimes it's helpful to colour in on these puzzles when you don't really have like a very clear idea of like what numbers are where. It can be really helpful, but I don't think we need to at this current moment in this one. But obviously if that changes we will, but you know, yeah. So excuse me. Let's see, where shall we go from here? We know that 8 can't go there or there, so it has to be somewhere here. 1 can't go here or there, so that is actually a 1. 2 can't go here or here or here, so one of those is a 2. 3 can't go there or there or there, so one of these is a 3. 4 can't go there or there, so one of these is a 4. this has to be a 1 because we can't have a 1 on that line. So that has to be a 1. Then we know 1 can't go in any of these. But it has to be somewhere on there. What else? Let's have a look at this. It can't be 1, 2, it can't be 2, 3. It can't be 3, 4, it can't be 4, 5. It could be a 5 and a 6. It could be a 6 and a 7. It could be a 7 and no, it can't be a 7 and an 8. It can't be an 8 and 9. So it can only be a 6, 7. If it's like there's a 7 can't go there. So it could be a 5, 6, a 6, 7, a 5, 6, like that. Okay. So then we know that a 9 has to go somewhere on here. But I'm not sure if that's where the marking. We do know a 3 is here. Somewhere. Which means, so because the 3 can't go here and it can't go here, it has to be there, which means that can't be a 3. Oops. So that is a 6. So that is a 6. So that is a 3. So that can't be a 3. So that is a 3. So that is a 3. So that is a 5. So that is a 3. And then this can't be a 5. So that is a 5. And that can't be a 5 anymore. So that can't be a 6 anymore. No, it could be because it could be 5, 6, 6, 7. Okay. Cool. So, do we have anything else from that? 2 has to be in one of those. Let's see, what could this be? This could be a 1 and a 2 like that. Could be a 2 and a 3 like this. Could be, can't be a 3, 4. Can't be a 4, 5. Could be a 5, 6 like that. Could be a 6, 7 like that. Can't be a 7, 8. Can't be an 8, 9. So those are the only possible combinations that those numbers can be. So let's go to the other end of this line. So the second one in. So this is the second one. So that could be a 1. Or it can't be a 1. It could be a 2. Or a 5, 7. So we know it can't be a 1. So we know that can't be a 1. So we know that can't be a 2. Okay. So then the third number on the line can only be a 3 or a 6. But it can't be a 6 there because we've got a 6. So that is a 3. And that is a 3. And that is a 2. And that is a 2. And then we can get rid of that 2. So yeah, we've got our 2 now. And then we've got our 2 up there. What else can we tell now? Oh look, we've got our 3 here. Didn't spot that one. 2 can't be there or there. So 2 is somewhere here. 1 can't be in either of these. So 1 is somewhere here. 3 we've got. 4 can't be there. But it could be anywhere. That's pretty broad. 5. Okay, the rest are pretty broad in that one. 1, 2, 3, 4. Can't be here or here. So 4 has to be in one of these. Again, that's pretty open. Let's see what we can do with this dot. So it can't be 1, 2, it can't be 2, 3. It can't be 3, 4. It could be 4 and a 5 here. It So this one can't be an 8. So this one can't be a 9. So this one can't be a 9. So it's 4 into 5, 7 into 6, or 8 into 9, 5, 5 into 4, 6 into 7, 7 into 8, 9 into 8. Okay, that works. Okay, a few more numbers. Well, not proper numbers, but like notes. A few more notes done. Okay, let's see, what am I missing? What am I missing here? What else? What else? What else? Okay, in this line we've got a 6, 9, 6, 7. And then here we could have 6, 7, or 6, a 7 or a 9. Actually, I don't think that's wrong, because we could have a 5 there as well. Okay, ignore that. Oh no, we can't have a 5. No, that is right. Yeah, we can only have. Okay, let's put this to a 6, 7, and then this to a 7, 9. Those are the only combinations that we can have here, if that makes sense. So the remaining 3 numbers here is 6, 7, and 9. So that's, yeah. And then here we could have 5. We could have 6. We could have 7. We could have 9. So here we could have 5, 6, 7, 9. We can't have a 6 there. So this one also can't be a 6. So 6 definitely has to be on one of these. Oh, interesting. Okay, we can take this 5 away. I didn't notice that one before. What are the remaining numbers? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 can't go there, so 4 has to be either there or there. 4 has to be either there or there. 5 could be in any of those. 6 is, we've got 7 could be in any of those. 8 and 9 could be in any of those. Okay, that is pretty broad, but we're going to do our little thing with it. So with the 3, we've got a 4, 5, 7, 9, except it can't be a 4, so that can't be a 4. So that is a 4. And then here we've got 5, 5, 7, 9, except that can't be a 5, so that can't be a 5, so that is a 5. Then we have a 7, 9 pair here. So in this row we've got a 7, 9 pair, so that can't be a 7 or a 9, so it's a 5. And that's a 6, and that's a 7, and that's a 9, and that's a 9, and that's an 8, and that's a 7, and that's a 6. And then what do we have here? A 5 is there on the line. Then we've got a 5 here, so that's a 5 on the line. And that's a 7 or a 9, and then we can't have an 8 here anymore. So we can't have a 9 here anymore. And does that get rid of anything else? We can't have a 7 there either. So here we can only have, we can't have a 6, 7, and we also can't have a 9 because of this. So that is a 5 and that is a 5. And then here we can't have an 8 anymore. And then what else do we have? so that's not particularly helpful, but I think at this point we just need to mark it up. Though, if that's a 9, that's a 9, and that's a 7. Oh, we actually can't have a 7 or a 9 here, because say if that's a 9, that would be a 9, so that would have to be a 7. Then 9 couldn't be there because of that, and 7 couldn't be there because of that, and if that was a 7, it's the same principle, just like reversed. So this is a 1-8 pair, which means this can't be an 8 anymore, so that's a 7, that's a 9, that's a 7, that's a 7, that's a 9, that's a 7. Oops. Hopefully it doesn't run out. Let me just unplug this because that's charging my phone from the iPad. I don't want to drain it. Okay, we've got our 8 up here. Our 9 here. That's an 8. That's an 8, which means that's an 8, which means that's a 1. We can delete that. We can delete that 1. Now we've got to, oops. We've got a 2 there, and a 1 there, and a 2 there, and a 1 there. And we can delete those, and then we've got a 6 there. What else? Here we've got a 4, 7 pair. And what is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6? This is a 9. And then what else? 1, 2, 3, 4. This is also a 4, 7 pair. Except, look, it's there all along. There has to be a 4 from the 5. I should have seen that ages ago. This is what's annoying about these. Sometimes I miss stuff. This is a 6, 9 pair. 69. And then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is another half of that 69 pair. And then here we've got 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 needs to go in there somewhere. 5, 6. We can't have 6. So that's a 6. Sorry. That's a 6 because 6 can't go there. So this is a 4, 9 pair, except 9 can't go there, so that's a 9. That's a 4. That's a 6, and that's a 9. And this is a 7. And this is an 8. And this is 1, 2, 3, 4. And this is a 9. And this is a 5. Yay! We did it. 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 Yay! Congrats. So I hope that you found that relaxing. Let me know if you want to see another video like this. I like doing these and I find them relaxing, so